In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can tag the marked locations for the Meter Project Destroy 3 contract in Marathon. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, go ahead and load into Dire Marsh and pick the contract from Gantry after completing Order Chaos. Once you're in that match, head straight to the southwest intersection, secure room specifically, and when you do arrive, you're going to need to shoot 4 power boxes located around the blue building. Some are on the outside walls and some are on the inside above the door itself. Just destroy all 4 boxes to unlock the room, and then go upstairs and grab the UV protocol from the cabinet. After that, install it in the exact same location. Once installed, the marking locations will now appear on your HUD, and you're going to have to be very close to them to tag them, but essentially start with the maintenance point since it's usually the safest spot to begin. Just climb the east slope to the rooftop, then move towards the north side, tag the dividing wall overlooking the cargo area. The second location is in the center north entrance, so head over there, then go up the red stairs to the walkways and tag the supporting wall next to the 3 large crates. And then for the third location, go to the south hangar near the, swamp. Jump over the small walls and climb onto the center pillar ledge about halfway up and place the final tag there. Once you've tagged all 3 locations, the contract step is complete. Just remember this only counts in a single run, so make sure you finish everything before you do extract. If you did have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.